shaking these little paint bottles is necessary. And the only thing is, you never know when you've shaken them enough, particularly if they've been sitting sometimes for weeks. Some of them have a more pigment in them, it tends to settle to the bottom. Some of them even have, this one doesn't, but some of them even have a little BB in them to help shake them up, and it doesn't get going for quite a while sometimes. So, wouldn't it be great if I could make something that would shake paints? But make something that I already sort of have, so I don't have to make the whole thing. Let's see what we've got. Some people use a reciprocating saw, the ones that go like this, and they tape their bottle to it. I suppose that works. I mean, yeah, it shakes it up enough, but this is a multi-tool, which is kind of dumb because it just has blades on it. It's the same tool, you can just put different shaped blades. And I have this old blade that is very dull and can't be sharpened. So I'm wondering if I can make something using this. Let's see what we can do. I was going to use some PVC pipe, but I couldn't find any that would quite fit the bottle. They're either too small or too big. It would have rattled inside. But I found this piece of black water pipe, this polypropylene, polyurethane pipe, and it just so happens that the bottles fit snugly right inside. So it's not the prettiest, but it's what's going to work the best. Well, it's not fancy, but it's another use for a tool that I rarely use. It was fun to make. It was fun to brainstorm. Everything's a prototype with me. Thanks for watching this strange build.